Design is the analog and digital communication lab. Semester 4. Experiment number 1. Experiment number 1 is the perform the experiment of the amplitude modulation and calculate the modulation index. Also study the DSV, DSV-SC, SSV modulation and demodulation. SSV modulation and demodulation. This is the transmitter kit. This is the receiver kit. Transmitter kit is provided with one input signal. First information signal generated by this block. This is the information signal. This is the information signal, and amplitude and frequency varied by this port, and frequency changes by this port. Amplitude changes by this port, or frequency changes by this port, and this signal is transmitted through this switch. There are two paths divided by up direction and low direction. Up direction is the here. Up direction is the here. Or low direction is the here. There are two bands. First is the SSB band. Second is the DSB band. SSB band provided by this section, or DSB provided by this section, and carrier signal provided by this section. This section is consist of 1 megahertz crystal oscillator. 1 megahertz crystal oscillator provided a crystal oscillator. Yani it means carrier signal. One signal is the information signal provided by audio oscillator. Second signal is the provided by crystal oscillator. Yani carrier signal. There are two signals. The first signal is the SSB, second signal is DSB. The DSB signal is here. This is the DSB signal. This is the DSB signal. Double side band. This is the SSB signal, single side band generated by this block. This is the generated by crystal oscillator generated by this block, and DSB signal generated by this block. This signal is varied by this port, maximum and minimum. This is the double side band signal. This is the double side band signal. This signal is transmitted by this block. This block is the output amplifier. It means signal strength is increased by this block. This procedure is called modulation. And demodulation proceed by this section. It means receiver part of this kit number 2202. This is the positive terminal, this is the negative terminal. This is the transmitted signal. It here is called DSB signal. This signal is the grounded signal transmitted by this part. It means RF amplifier and tuning amplifier, tuning circuit, is using by tuned frequency, and following this section mixer and IF amplifier and IM amplifier 2. and so on. This is the AGC circuit. This is the local oscillator. This is the beat frequency oscillator. And combined of this output signal is here, and amplify this signal is provided by this port. Using tuning circuit, this output signal is here and input signal is the transmitter of input signal. Previous input signal both are same. No difference between input signal using transmitter and output signal receiver output signal, both are same. It means demodulation will be complete. So this practical has been done.